Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Santander UK Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Santander UK Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now we get into this interface. On the top, we can see this option called log on. Simply tap on this. Now enter your personal ID number, and if it is business account you can go for business, and if it is corporate you can go on this one. And after entering your personal ID, you need to enter the 5 digits registration number or customer PIN here. And if you want your ID to be remembered even after you get back, simply tick mark on this, and if not, you can go and click on second one. After you're done with all of the details, simply click on login. After this, we'll get into Santander UK Bank online banking interface. So that is all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.